Okay, so my package from LBC has finally arrived. Been actually waiting for this since last week. So let's go ahead and unbox this. So you might be wondering what this is. It's really nothing important. I'd say it's more of something fun. I wouldn't say it's a need, but you know, during these times of pandemic that we've had, I've always tried to look for ways to help myself cope, and I think it's not just me, I'm not alone. Online shopping has been a medium for it. I didn't buy this online. I actually found a guy who does this. I mean, I didn't buy it online per se, like in Lazada or Shopee, but I found a guy who does this, and he was able to ship it to me. So cool. There's another box within a box, and very good. Super, thank you. Stay safe. Thank you also, and you stay safe. I appreciate collaborating with you. And yep, it's customized for me, so got my name here. So yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and open it. Is there a scotch tape or something? Nope. Alright, I think it's just glued. Yeah, it's super glued. Alright. There's my hobby knife over there. Alright, let's just rip it off. It's pretty glued there. Appreciate that, because the item is actually fragile, but it's really tough. There you go. And there you go. Can you see what that is? Do you have any idea what that is? Oh yeah. Okay. He included an extra garter. I love that. Thank you. But yeah, here it is. So this is my customized Gundam mask. You guys know that I am very into Gunpla, and this particular mask is the original Gundam, so the RX 98 forgot RX Granddaddy Gundam. So it's a cosplay mask. Okay, it's not your everyday COVID mask, so I will still be wearing something underneath, right? What I love about this, it's 3D printed, so it's the dimensions is very accurate, and I just love the paint job as well. So good job. Thank you so much for the person who created this. I'll try to put a link in this video, so if you want to, you know, go ahead and reach out to him, see if he can make you a custom face mask as well. But again, let me remind everyone, you don't just wear this when you go out. You have to have the standard medical grade mask to protect yourself. Alright, so that's my unboxing, and thank you for watching this video. I hope you like it. I love how the mask looks like, and stay safe everyone. This is Paul, aka the Virgin Angel. More power, guys. Bye bye.